We have a quadratic equation to solve by the use of factorization method. So in order to solve this kind of quadratic equation, you simply bring out the factors of 30. Now out of these factors of 30, you will now pick any two that when you add them together will give you minus 13. So factors of 30, we have 1 multiplied by 30. After 1, we have 2 multiplied by 15. You arrange them in that order. Then 3 multiplied by 10. 4 is not a factor of 40. After 4, we have 5 multiplied by 6. Now, we are looking for the two factors that will give us minus 13. But one basic rule, or let me say trick, that will help in choosing the correct factors is that whatever sign you have here at the middle term, this is negative. All these greater factors will carry negative sign. If it is positive, all of them will be positive. So all we need to do now is to check which of them are we going to add that will give us minus 13, and when we multiply, we will get minus 30. But if you look at this pair of numbers, the only two numbers that can give us 13, they are 2 and 15, 3 and 10. So now, remember that the greater numbers already must be negative, since here is negative. If this is negative, minus 2 minus 15 will not give us minus 13. If this is negative, minus 3 minus 10 will give us minus 13. But when you multiply minus 3 by minus 10, it will not give you plus 13. But you look at this one, if this is plus 2 multiplied by minus 15 will give us minus 13. Then plus 2 minus 15, when you add them together, they will give you minus 13. So now we've gotten the two factors that we need. We will now remove this middle term, minus 13x, and then replace it with these two numbers. So that is plus 2x minus 15x. Then you bring down minus 30 equals 0. So within these two terms, x is common. You bring your x out. This will remain x, and this will remain 2. You bring down the sign, minus. 15 and 30, the highest common factor is 15, because 3 can divide both of them, 5 can divide both of them, and 15 can also divide both of them. So we are going with 15. Then this is x. Because of this negative sign, this one will become positive. Then 15 in 30, 2 equals 0. Don't forget that this bracket and this bracket must contain the same thing. So now, since we have these two to be the same, you pick 1. Then the other factors outside, you put them in one bracket, equals to 0. So now you have x plus 2 equals 0, or x minus 15 equals 0. So that means if this one comes here, we have x equals minus 2, or x equals, this will become 15. So minus 2 and 15, they are the values of x that will make this equation to be what? 0. Thank you.